This isn't your ordinary Android TV box. This one is a bit unusual, definitely on the expensive side, and it does things very differently compared to a normal budget Android TV box. What's going on, everybody? BadgerDIY here, and today we're checking out the SuperBox S7 Max, a premium Android TV box that's been catching a lot of attention lately. In this video, we're going to unbox it, check what it comes with, talk about specs, explore the UI, test a few apps, and talk honestly about the price and whether this device is actually worth it. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's unbox SuperBox S7 Max. Inside the box, we have the SuperBox S7 Max unit. We're gonna have a power brick, USB-C this time, HDMI cable, and the interesting remote control. And of course, a small instructions manual. I mean, it's pretty standard content, nothing unusual here. Taking a closer look at the box itself, the design is very simple and lightweight. On the back, we got HDMI out, Ethernet port, AV port, optical audio, power input, USB-C this time, some air vents on the side. On the front, we have a small display for the time and status LED. And on the side, we have two USB ports, one TF card slot, and a reset restore button. The remote is pretty interesting, plenty of buttons, good layout, and it only takes two AAA batteries. And of course, the power brick is a US 2-pin adapter, and yes, it connects via USB-C, which is a big bonus. Spec-wise, for the SuperBox S7 Max, we have an Android 12 quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, Mali G31MP2 GPU, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage, supports up to 6K at 60 FPS, Wi-Fi 6, 1 GB Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.2 for voice control and accessories. I mean, it's pretty respectable specs for an Android TV box. On the first boot, you get a disclaimer, and this is where this Android TV box falls into the gray area of TV boxes. After that, you set up your Wi-Fi, your display, and then we land on the main UI. The UI actually looks nice. We have sections for live TV, VOD, video on demand, playback, apps, and yes, the Play Store is here. We also have system update and the TV ROM updater. Now let's go a bit into settings. Under device preferences, about, we can see CPU H618, RAM 4 gigs, and we have storage 64 gigs. Means plenty of room for your favorite apps. It's running Android 12, and if you scroll all the way down and click a few times on the Android TV OS build, you can enable developer mode. It supports multiple languages, and there's a screensaver option and additional custom settings. You can also add your favorite apps to the home screen for faster access. And the mouse mode on the remote definitely helps when navigating browser or apps that aren't optimized for TV. So let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The SuperBox S7 Max is expensive compared to a regular Android TV box. It's currently sitting at around 399 USD. Well, I'll let you decide at the end whether this price makes sense. Next, let's check DRM info. And as expected, we only have Vivine L3. This means you won't get full HD or 4K playback on apps that require L1 certification. But let's be honest, if you're buying this box, you're probably not getting it for apps that require L1 anyway. Next, let's try Jellyfin. Voice control works great. Watch this. Jellyfin.
Opening Jellyfin.
The remote sends the command and the app launches pretty quickly. Might be my accent slowing it down a little. Browsing the library is smooth and video playback works without any issues. Fast forwarding and skipping scenes is also responsive. One thing that I actually like is the voice command feature on the remote. So let's try it again with YouTube. Open YouTube. And it just pops up instantly. So yeah, voice control is actually a nice little bonus. Okay, so let's test some games. First up, we have BB Racing. Everything runs perfectly smooth, no frame drops, no stuttering. Next, we have Asphalt 8. Also very smooth, loads quickly and completely playable. For casual Android gaming, it performs better than I expected. Okay, so now let's talk about pros and cons. For pros, we have smooth UI, easy voice controls, good casual gaming performance, works great with YouTube, Jellyfin playback is smooth, simple, clean interface, stable Wi-Fi performance. But for cons, we have it is very expensive. No Vivine L1, not an official Android TV OS device. Hardware is okay, but not at the level of the price. So the big question, is the SuperBox S7 Max worth it? Have you used one before? And would you buy it? Let me know down in the comments. I really want to hear your thoughts on this one. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. Really helps the channel and lets me keep making honest, unbiased reviews. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.